Hi, I'm Nick from Dorman Products. One of the keys to passenger comfort is proper management of the vehicle's airflow. The heating and ventilation ductwork behind the dashboard typically contains several internal flaps or air doors that open and close to direct air to individual upper, middle, or lower vents, or perhaps some combination. Other air doors allow the system to switch from fresh air to recirculating air. These ventilation flaps are controlled by air door actuators. In the past, these were operated by vacuum and had either an open or closed position. Newer vehicles use electric motors to open and close the flaps, which allow for partial opening on some actuators. These motors are prone to fail as the vehicle ages, and often the only fix is to simply replace them. When replacing an air door actuator, it's crucial that you order the correct actuator for the exact position and function required. Many actuators look the same but perform different functions depending on the vehicle options, such as automatic versus manual climate control. Be sure to confirm the vent position and function as well as your vehicle specification before ordering any air door actuator. Dorman has been producing air door actuators since 2006 and leads the aftermarket with the most extensive lineup, more than twice the coverage of anyone else. Our air door actuators are all direct replacements, allowing plug-and-play installation. We also offer blend door repair kits for many common failure-prone applications, and we recommend replacing the appropriate actuator when repairing a blend door, given the difficulty of accessing these components behind the dashboard. Remember, when you need quality direct replacement parts for your vehicle's ventilation system, you should always check Dorman first.